G'day guys, Crago here. I got my youngest here helping me today. We're going to take out this ornamental cherry tree. I prefer trees that produce fruit. This one came up in the veggie garden, self-seeded. I didn't know what it was. I thought it was a cherry, but turns out it was an ornamental, so it's not producing. Fortunately, I've got a fruiting cherry tree to replace it, so it's going to come out, a new one's going to go in. We're going to try some time lapse. Cheers. So there's our cherry in. This one is a Sunburst, I think it is. It does require a pollinator. I do have another cherry in the yard, a Stella. But I've actually got a second cherry from the same person on Marketplace, both for free. I swapped her for a bit of my homegrown honey. And the second one is a Lapin, which is self-pollinating, and that is going to go in that hole. So what I've done, clay's fairly shallow here, so I don't want to deep plant it because it could potentially get waterlogged and get wet feet. So I've raised it up a little, and I'm going to mound the earth up around it a bit, but I've got a bit of compost in there, threw a bit of fertiliser in there, a little bit more topsoil on top. Now I'm going to go grab the tree. I've had it soaking in some water with some sea salt because it is a little bit early in the year to be transplanting. So we'll get this one in the hole, and hopefully we'll be well on our way to a bumper cherry season. Will fill with water, and then it will soak down the roots, get rid of all the air that's in there. This one. Not just a pretty face, dude. Not just a pretty face. So do you want to go run out and turn the hose on? The blue one? Ready to go on, just turn the tap on. So I'll let that run, fill that up, make sure it doesn't run out, and leave it for a bit, turn it off, then give it another good drink. So that should be right, hopefully. It was a bit bigger, as I've done it with a weeping cherry out the front. I staked it because the trunk was about 6 inches round, and it needed a lot of support. And I actually moved that about the same time of year, around May, and it survived. So fingers crossed, these two will be good, and I'll have cherries in summer. More cherries.